This is the new 2023 Bathlift by Solution Based. There are some really nice new features and modifications based on user reviews, so thank you for that. All right, included in the box is the back, and the actuator is already attached to it. Then you got the base with the flaps, a charger, and the hand control, which is also the battery. Okay, so the assembly is really simple. Just unfold the flaps here, that's the base, and now you take the back and put the back directly over the base, and notice how this lines up over here. Once it's lined up, you're gonna have to apply some pressure. So that's one side, second side, and now flip the back up, and that completes the assembly. This lift has a 300-pound weight capacity and lowers down to a record low of 2.75 inches from the top of the seat to the base of the bathtub. All right, so the next step is connect the hand control to the Bathlift, but before you connect it and go to use it, make sure it's fully charged before you actually use it. This cord right here has a cover. You remove this cover and connect the hand control, you get a little click. Now the Bathlift is ready to use. So once inside the tub, you have full control of the height and how far it should recline after a full descent. There are 6 suction cups on this Bathlift, so we added 2 handles that will make it really easy to release the suction cups in case you want to remove it from the tub. So here's the handle on one side, and there's the same handle on this opposite side. So all you would need to do is just pull this lever, and that releases all 3 suction cups on one side. You will get approximately 35 lifts on a full battery charge. To charge the hand control, simply remove it from the Bathlift and attach it to the charger, like that, and plug the charger to the wall. The Bathlift is available in 4 different colors, and replacement parts are available. We're based in the USA in case you have any questions or need support.